Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hashim Mahmood Ayaiwala and I am a student at Rahan School Foundation level. And today we will be completing the day 36 task mm, TEDx talk, The Power of Curiosity and Dreams. So, our speaker for today's TEDx talk is Adil Hashmi. Adil Hashmi is a Pakistani entrepreneur, educator, and motivational speaker. He is passionate about inspiring young people to think creatively, dream big, and reach their full potential. In his TEDx talk, The Power of Dreams and Curiosity, he shares valuable lessons about how dreams, curiosity, and hard work can help people achieve success. In his TEDx talks, Adil Hashmi explains that there are two types of dreams. The first is the kind we see while sleeping, while we usually forget after some time. The second is the kind we see with our eyes open, our goals, ambitions, and the future we want to create. He believes these dreams are the ones that can change our lives. He says that every great achievement begins with a dream, whether it's an invention, a successful business, or a personal goal. It all starts with someone believing in an idea. He encourages everyone to dream big and not be afraid of aiming high. Adil Hashmi also talks about the importance of curiosity. He says that asking questions, learning new things, and exploring different ideas help us grow and discover new opportunities. According to him, curiosity keeps us learning throughout our lives. He also reminds us that success doesn't come easily. There will always be challenges and failures, but we should not let small problems or fears stop us from reaching our goals. Instead, we should work hard, believe in ourselves, stay focused, and keep going forward. In the end, Adil Hashmi leaves the audience with a simple but powerful message. If we continue to dream big, stay curious, and put in the effort, we can achieve great things and make a positive difference in the world. So, this was it for today's task. I hope you all enjoyed it and learned something new. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.